Everybody's chasing the same saturated print-on-demand niches right now. Meanwhile, Printify quietly added some new products that already have proven demand on Etsy. So in this video, I want to share 4 print-on-demand products that are selling right now, including one niche that's absolutely exploding on t-shirts. And I'll even show you how to create the designs in bulk using AI. So let's get to it. First up are print-on-demand cufflinks. Now I want to hear from you in the comments. Did you know that you could sell POD cufflinks? Like, my guess is you probably didn't unless you're keeping an eye on Printify's newly added section of their catalog, where they're constantly expanding the types of products we can sell. But these can make great wedding products, groomsmen's gifts, anniversaries, Father's Day gifts, etc. All things that are popular in the summer, by the way. And when you look at Etsy, you'll notice personalized cufflinks listings already have thousands of sales. There's a few examples that are already generating over 1,000 sales a month. So I love seeing that. This is one of those products where we know the demand's already there. So we just need to bring some fresh ideas to the market, or maybe just do more of what's already working. For instance, this first listing here is doing 1,575 sales a month according to the Everbee Chrome extension. And that listing's only 10 months old. The listing next to it is doing 1,143 sales a month. That listing's only 11 months old. So do you believe in coincidences? Both those listings that are best sellers, they were launched during summer of 2025. Now here we are a year later and they're being handsomely rewarded. Now, if you were to follow my advice and list some print-on-demand cufflinks, keep an eye out for next year, right? You might not get that instant overnight success. You probably won't. But as you perform well and outperform a lot of your competition on Etsy, you have higher click-through rates, higher conversion rates. You'll be rewarded hopefully into the future and be competing with the big guys in 2027 potentially. That third example is a little bit more realistic there. It's got 256 sales a month. And I wanted to call out something. Everbee released an update to their Chrome extension kind of recently. It allows you to sort by like best sellers only, free shipping, popular now. So I've checked popular now and best sellers. So everything on the page here behind me has to be a bestseller or popular now tagged on Etsy. So I don't have to worry about doing my research and scrolling past a bunch of listings that aren't some of the best of the best. Now, if we jump back over here to Printify, I just wanted to mention these cufflinks, they do start at $40 with your Printify account. But if you have Printify Premium, that price drops down from $39.92 to $29.46 with Printify Premium. So you got to market it as a premium product. You might say, but why would somebody pay that much? I know I saw some listings there on Etsy that were a little bit cheaper. The reality is, like, it's all in the eye of the beholder. It's all about how you market it. A lot of people, by the way, too, don't scroll past the first row of ads on Etsy. So if you're running ads as well, that could be a way to outcompete some of your competition. And then in terms of the design, they have dye sublimation options and laser engraving options, which probably I would lean towards like laser engraving if I was doing something like this listing right here over my shoulder with that kind of script font. I think that would look really nice. Next up are t-shirts, but specifically this viral presidents playing guitar niche that's been doing incredibly well lately. Definitely one of the top performing niches of 2026. Let me know if you agree in the comments. For instance, my dad asked me for this shirt earlier today, so I know it must be doing well, but he does love himself some history, some politics, and some guitar, so it makes sense. What I like about this niche is that once you create one design style with AI, you can generate dozens of variations in bulk with different presidents, different guitars, different art styles, different text combinations extremely quickly. And that's what I want to show you right now, how I would go about doing this, not just creating one-offs, but creating as many relevant as I think are worth listing. And I like to take the quantity approach and distill it down to what's working, and the ones that aren't selling, I can cut ties with. So what I would do is I would go to ChatGPT and I would say, write me a list of the 20 most popular US presidents in history, just their names. And I'm gonna take this list, and what I'm gonna do is essentially feed it into an AI image generator and have it create those presidents, but playing the electric guitar right in line with popular graphic that we have right here. Of course, I'm not gonna steal that graphic or anything like that, but that is the inspiration. Did I mention this listing on Etsy is doing 337 sales a month right now? And this listing was only created last month in April, and it's already done over 700 sales. So absolutely incredible. All right, so here's our list of presidents, popular presidents. We got 20 of them right here. And what I'm gonna do is jump on over to a spreadsheet, any spreadsheet in Google Drive. I'm gonna make a new sheet and I'm just gonna paste, okay? So now I've got 20 rows there with those presidents. And what I'm also gonna do is I'm going to tell it to describe the design style. Describe this design style. Do not mention the name Abraham Lincoln. So what I want is, well, the description of this design style, because what I'm gonna do here in this spreadsheet is I'm going to basically like, and if you want me to be kind of clean with how I do this, I'll say president name, all right? And I'll make that like a little column header so we keep it all nice and easy to follow. And then I'll say AI prompt. And what we're gonna do here is build the AI prompt using Excel to pull in the variables. So back to ChatGPT, that's a pretty long prompt. Let me see. Overall vibe. Yeah, I'll just take this. Retro, gritty. Yeah, we'll do that. I'm just going to use that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in equal quote, or I'll say a flat monochrome design style featuring, and then I'm going to do this. I'll drop this in the description in case you want to copy it, but I'm going to do ampersand, and then I'm going to do A2, and that's going to dynamically pull in president name column from A2. And then when I apply this to the rows beneath, it'll go A3, A4, A5, featuring a George Washington variable playing the electric guitar. I'll say featuring US President George Washington playing the electric guitar. The design style is colon, and I'm going to paste. And then I'm just going to click into that cell, and you'll see when I have that cell selected, there's that little dot in the bottom right corner. I'm just going to pull it down. So now it's going to generate all of these prompts for me. And what I like to do personally, because I can, because I use the software called My Designs, is I'm going to fire up Dream AI here in My Designs. I'm going to have it set to text to image. By the way, if you're new to My Designs, I will put my link in the description. Click Dream AI on the left-hand side, and it'll take you to the Dream AI page. For the model, it's got GPT image 2 already selected. I'm going to go ahead and use that. Number of images to generate from one prompt, I will leave at 2. The resolution, let's go ahead, or aspect ratio, we'll do 2:3. Image quality, we'll just leave it at high. I'm going to enable parallel prompts, and then I'm going to paste our 20 different prompts, and it's going to literally generate 40 images for us based on those prompts. All right, and check it out. My Designs has generated all of our graphics for us. Now, one thing I am looking at in retrospect, maybe I should have told it in the prompt not to generate any text as a part of the design if I didn't want that, since the bestseller that we were using as inspiration did not include any text. But hey, there's no rules against, making it your own, making your own version of that. So check it out. You got Bill Clinton rocking out up there. By the way, My Designs integrates with Printify, which you can then use to publish to Etsy and have Printify fulfill your orders. So the fact that you can generate these designs here, you can then remove the background, vectorize, create your mockups, and publish direct to Etsy. So I could do all 20 of these listings in about 5 to 10 minutes. If you've done it before, you could do it in 5 minutes easily. There's George Washington, Jefferson, there's Lincoln rocking out on the electric guitar. There's John F. Kennedy, FDR, there's Obama rocking out, Woodrow Wilson, Truman, Lyndon B. Johnson, Theodore Roosevelt, Ike, James Madison, James Monroe, Jimmy Carter there rocking out, Ulysses S. Grant, Ronald Reagan, Calvin Coolidge, Andrew Jackson, I recognize him from the $20 bill, and John Adams. Guys, how cool is that? And it takes minutes. Another product I really like right now that's also from Printify's newly added section is hooded baby towels, because baby products consistently perform well on Etsy, especially personalized gifts for baby showers and newborns. Now, you guys probably could have imagined that, but did you know you could sell the hooded baby towels? Now, I had to share this story really quickly. When I initially started my e-commerce journey in 2016 was when I first started doing the research. I didn't make my first sale until 2017, but I learned how to sell on Amazon watching a tutorial about selling hooded baby towels. I just thought it was so cool to come back full circle basically 10 years later. So let's jump on over to Etsy. When you search Etsy, you'll see a ton of bestseller badges and strong review counts on hooded baby towels. This is, in my mind, validating this as an idea. Now, they're not all the same product though, so it's not like these are all being fulfilled by Printify. I mean, it's a new product, so definitely wasn't. And the sales are not as high on the high end as they were for the cufflinks, but to me, that makes it a more realistic product that maybe only makes one sale a week. If you make one sale a week and you make 50 something sales a year, I mean, of course, in Q4, you're gonna get a couple more sales as well. Guys, that's still like a big win if you ask me, especially for the first 12-month outlook of a new product listing. 50 sales a year at $5 profit a sale, which is very modest, is an extra $250 a year. And if you can bump that up, maybe 4x the sales, make an extra $1,000 a year the next year from one listing, to me, that's totally doable based on the data here on Etsy for these hooded baby towels. So using Everbee, just as an example, the whole first row, this first one's doing 27 sales a month. The next one's doing 25 sales a month. This one is doing 6 sales a month currently. And the one behind me here is doing 50 sales a month. So nothing really blowing you away on the high end, although I did not use the Everbee feature of sorting by only bestsellers and only popular now. In that case, you might be able to find some bigger winners. There's 43 sales a month, 68 sales a month, 15 sales a month, 68, 43, 25, 25. Anyways, you get the gist of it. It looks like a really solid product that can make you consistent sales, but probably not going to get you out of your day job single-handedly from listing it on Etsy based on the data available to us right now. I almost forgot to mention that in Printify, they can fulfill these hooded baby towels for you for $24. But if you use Printify Premium, that price drops down to $17.68. And I've got a code in the description of this video that'll give you a free month. So you can pad your profit margins just by using that code. Also wanted to make you aware that there are 5 colors currently available. There's white, black, key lime, navy navy, and ballerina, which is a shade of pink. And finally, hand woven straw bags are a really interesting seasonal product because they fit perfectly into the summer aesthetic. Now, there's two that I wanted to share that I found in Printify in their new section. There's the hand woven straw bag starting at $14.50, or with Printify Premium, $10.70. And then there's the woven straw tote bag, which with Printify Premium starts at $13.10. By the way, they're both fulfilled out of China. You can see that with the flag right there for the providers. So you're gonna need to make sure in Etsy with your shipping profile that you have, extended that out maybe a few extra days. You can see here the average production time is 2.4 days. So I'm assuming it's not gonna be an issue with overly long extended shipping times. Otherwise, Printify, they do their due diligence before they add providers, from any country into their catalog. So if that's something you've never experimented with, based on my experience, I think it would be just fine, but you might want to just update your shipping profile for these products on Etsy when you create those listings. Now, if we jump on over to Etsy, of course, we're going to see some successful listings, a lot of them focused around beach vacations, bridesmaids gifts, boho fashion, personalized travel accessories, all those things that you would expect. Just a couple examples here. The second listing there behind me is doing 137 sales a month. The third one is doing 35 sales a month. Fourth one here behind me is 15 sales a month. The one right here above me actually is doing 416 sales a month. Now, obviously the big aesthetic among the best sellers is that yarn on the outside, which I don't believe is available to us right now. So you can still use that as inspiration though. I mean, they're pretty much all either spelling out people's names or their initials. So I would start there when you create your listing. The biggest opportunity in print on demand right now is getting onto products early before they become oversaturated. And when you combine new Printify products with existing Etsy demand and AI assisted design workflows whenever it makes sense to, I mean, it is 2026, it becomes much easier to launch products people are already proven to buy. So I'm gonna make sure to drop links to everything you saw me use in this video in the description in case you wanna follow along. And guys, good luck, go launch some new Etsy listings and make some sales.